If you hate speaking on camera, just like I'm doing now, you are 100% not alone. In fact, when I do speaking gigs and I say, put your hands up if you enjoy speaking to camera, there's generally either zero or maybe at most one hand up every time. So please don't feel like it is just you. But today I thought I would share some quick tips on how to grow your confidence in talking to camera. So a slightly different one from a lot of my previous videos, which have really focused in on digital well-being. But if you are a business owner, if you are marketing a business, then speaking to camera is a really important thing to do to get your message across, to build relationships, to let people know who you are, to build your personal brand. And they're just so much more engaging than videos that don't include a person speaking to camera. And it does come under digital well-being in some respects, because I've spoken to so many people who say they spend hours and hours and hours to create a 20-second video. And that's definitely not digital well-being, staring at a camera for ages, saying the same thing over and over again, and ending up incredibly frustrated. I have got this kind of down to a T now in terms of creating this type of video and Instagram Reels and any other short form video for social media really, really quickly. And I thought I'd share some of my kind of quick tips in how to do this. But if you would like to delve in more and grow your confidence more in talking to camera, you definitely need to check out my Confidently Talking to Camera workshop. The workshop takes place in September 2023. I will pop the link below so you can book a place on that workshop. And in the workshop, I'm going to be talking about how to grow your confidence in talking to camera, but also how to structure your videos so that they flow nicely. And so you have a bit of a way of putting those together. I'm also going to tell you how you can create videos that seem like you're reading from a script because you know exactly what you're saying and you're saying it with confidence without reading from a script, because often when you read from a script, it can seem very kind of unhuman, like you're just reading something because you are. So how to do that. I'm also going to cover off how to really quickly and easily edit your videos so it takes no time at all to create videos of you talking to camera. So I'm just going to share with you 3 quick tips that will help you grow your confidence in talking to camera. And number 1 tip is, and this is going to be a little bit annoying, but just do it. Confidence comes from doing something. So if we are not doing it, of course we don't feel confident doing it. You know, if someone told me to, I don't know, write a book by tomorrow, I'll be like, I have no idea how to do that. Yeah, if every day I wrote a book that was ready the next day, I'd be really confident that, yeah, of course I can do that. Confidence comes from doing things. So it's sometimes a little bit natural. Like, yes, some of us have more confidence than others doing certain things, but mostly it comes down to the fact that we've done it so many times that we are now confident in doing that thing. So I'm afraid there isn't a magic pill I can throw at you and say, that's it, you're now confident. You really need to do the thing to get confident in doing the thing. So in terms of creating video, that means you need to create some video. Number 2 is to practice. Talk to camera more, and you don't even have to post it. So practicing talking to camera is really important too. If you think of something that you want to say, then grab your phone and just say it to your phone. If you have certain tips that you want to share in written format, just practice saying them to camera in spoken format instead. So the more practice that you do, again, the more confident you're going to get. And eventually you'll just think, sod it, I'm just going to post it out there and get it out to the world. So create some video content that you just never post. And even if you want to delete it straight away, that's fine. But practicing the act of speaking to camera will really help grow your confidence in it. And last but not least, keep it short to start with. So my YouTube videos are generally around the 5-minute to 10-minute mark. They are longer form videos, whereas something like an Instagram Reel might be 11 seconds of me talking to camera. And that's the place to start. Start with those really short videos because it's going to take you less time to create them. You're going to have to think less about what you're going to say. You only need to say a couple of sentences, so it won't take as long to kind of practice that. And it will just steadily grow your confidence, as opposed to jumping in and trying to record a video for 10 minutes and then it taking you like 3 days to get that 10-minute video done. So start small and build your way up to the longer form videos in order to build that confidence up. Don't feel like you've got to jump straight in and start creating these huge videos that are going to take you ages because you keep stumbling and having to start again. A really short, quick Instagram reel or TikTok video, or just any kind of short form video that you share across social media is a great starting point to get you going with your video content. So I hope those quick tips have given you a taster of what's to come in September. I'm going to be expanding on this even more with other confidence tips that I use and have used in the past to get my videos out there. And also that workshop, as I said before, is also going to give you things like how to structure those videos, how to edit those videos quickly and easily, so we're not spending hours and hours and hours creating really short videos. I'm also going to give you some tools and techniques to make those videos pop and make them look really professional. And anything else that you want me to address on the day, throw those questions at me and I will answer them. So I'll pop the link below in the description so you can join me for that Confidently Talking on Camera workshop in September. And let's get you shining on video, because it is such a nice way of getting your message across. And in terms of digital well-being, in all honesty, I find it the quickest thing to create. I hope you can join me. If you've got any questions, pop them in the comments below, and I will see you again with some more, probably more focused on digital well-being, but more videos in the future. And on that note, don't forget to subscribe so that you see those videos, and I will see you soon. Take care.